These faceless YouTube channels are making hundreds of dollars every day by posting simple AI-generated videos.
10 Stoic rules that, when applied, can transform your mindset.
And they're not even using it to its full potential. I will show you how to create even better videos than they're making and how to expand it on other platforms like TikTok and Instagram.
The blueprint.
You can access the blueprint that I made for you down in the description of this video. There you have all the ChatGPT prompts and all the links to websites that I've used in this video.
Step 1. Create channel.
First, we are going to create the channel. For that, we need name, logo, banner and description. First, we are going to ask ChatGPT for 10 names for our channel. If you don't get anything that's good enough, just ask him to get a little bit more creative. While we are there, ask him for 50-word description for our channel. When you choose your name, jump to YouTube to search if there are any big channels with the same name that you want to use. If there aren't any big channels, let's create logo. There are 3 ways to making the logo. You can use Canva, it's free, but it takes a little bit more time. Leonardo AI, it's free, and Midjourney is $10 a month. It's like Leonardo AI, but a little bit better. This is my example from one prompt in Leonardo AI and in Midjourney. Now take your logo and paste it into a banner template that you can find in Canva for free. Delete everything else and just put some words into it, like subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more Stoicism, banner of the biggest YouTube channel. So now let's make YouTube channel. Paste your name, upload profile picture and banner, and paste the description. When you publish it, you can admire your brand new channel.
Step 2. Write script.
Next step is creating the script with ChatGPT. We are going to use these 6 prompts that I made for you to get unlimited video scripts for basically any niche. Just copy them one by one and follow me. First, we need to train him. And now, when he has idea what are we talking about, we will ask him for 10 titles, and then you are going to choose one that looks most clickable to you. Paste that title into the next prompt and he will make a rough outline of the video with that title. When he gives you outline, just ask him to write the full video ready for text-to-speech app. While our good boy is writing, we can open the app that we are going to use for voiceover. It's called Clipchamp.
Step 3. Voiceover.
Log in and click on create new video. Then go to record and click create text-to-speech. Here you paste your script and remove all unnecessary parts that ChatGPT wrote, like I just did.
Step 4. Create images.
While Clipchamp is making your voiceover, you can go to Midjourney or Leonardo AI and start creating the images. If you don't want to overwhelm yourself for first few videos, you can go to Pinterest and download images for free from there.
Step 5. Editing. But the lazy way.
Just put all images and voiceover into the CapCut, move your voiceover on timeline and paste the first image on the beginning of the video. Make a keyframe at the beginning of the image and move to the end. Then you want to scale it up to 121%. This will give us smooth animation of zoom in, and we are going to copy that image and paste it all over the video. Because there is a great function in CapCut that will allow us to make this very fast. We are going to take the other images, move it on the top of the previous image and click replace clip. That will give us the same animation that we had before, and we are going to do it all over the video, and that's basically it for the video. Now we are going to make captions. That should be super fast because CapCut has the auto captions, which means that we are going to get captions by clicking on this button. Now we just need to style them in our own way. I recommend you moving them to the middle of the video and changing the font and size.
We uncover the 7 signs of people you shouldn't trust.
So when you finish with captions, the next thing is music. That's super easy because it's one YouTube search away. Just search for some free, calm and relaxing music. Now you just export that and upload it to YouTube. And don't close CapCut yet, because in next step is guaranteed way for you to make some money.
Step 6. Short form.
Cut up the video for people with shorter attention span, but it has to be longer than 1 minute, so you can make money from TikTok creator program, which will pay you $1 per 1,000 views. Now cover the video with vertical images for free Pinterest or Midjourney, and don't forget to change aspect ratio to vertical in CapCut. And you can add different animations and transitions to your images from here. change captions to popping ones, word by word, you know what I mean? If you think that voiceover is too slow, bump the speed up to 1.1x or 1.2x. And of course, there is one more thing to do. Loads of effects. Most creators use smart sharpen, noise and sparks to get this look. You can choose your own, but please don't overdo it, it will perform badly. When posting your short videos to TikTok or to Instagram, you should choose song on the platform. But if you can't find any song that will go with the video, just choose something that's very trending and lower the volume to 0. And when you post your first video, don't go to sleep and expect millions of views. You need to start working on the next one and post one every day. Let's do some quick math. If you post daily 4 videos to TikTok and average 30,000 views, you are going to make at least $3,000 in 1 month by working no more than 2 hours per day.
If you are too lazy for this, subscribe and in next video I will show something easier.